Hi, I'm Doug Green with Laser Tips and Tricks, and today's video is in Jason Ram's shop, and his lovely wife is hiding back there. It's Syntex powder coating and laser engraving, and we're trying out a new product. Jason's been using another product on the market for years, and Jason, take it away and tell us a little bit about this.
Alright, so guy here based out of Austin, Texas, Ryan, has created Enduramark. He's been doing it now for about a year. He just got into propellant where it's actually in a can like other competitors. This is their black. We have noticed versus the other competitors that his black is really black. It stays consistent, you know, at the speeds that we're running them. So of course you guys know we do lots of tumblers here. So with our Helix 50 watt, we're running the Enduramark at 100 power, 40 speed at 300 DPI. Once we rinse this thing, this stuff is not coming off. It's a nice, deep, rich black. And so, you know, we're endorsing Enduramark. And right now, he's running a special that if you buy 2 cans of it, you're free shipping.
And it's not only 2 cans, it's $99. You can use, they also have the paste.
They do have paste. They do have it in a paste where you can mix it in with your own acetone.
Spray with a air brush, and it's actually denatured alcohol.
Or denatured alcohol, and you can spray it with a...
Anyway, the reason I came out to his shop is I met him about a little over a year ago, and somebody called him the Tumbler King, and I asked him why they call him that, because he does a lot of tumblers. So I thought, what better place to come out to his shop and get his testimonial.
And where are you at right now on your YouTube videos?
A little over 2 million views.
2 million views, guys.
So you don't want to mention how many tumblers you did, but you're going to tell them how many
That's right.
YouTubes I did. Thank you for watching.
Doug Green, Tips and Tricks.